An incredible curb appeal with a 73-foot frontage, a phenomenal location in one of Toronto's most coveted neighborhoods, and the first time available in almost 50 years. Welcome to 8 Towercrest Drive. You're gonna love it. Come on in, let me show you around. The wide foyer welcomes you with gleaming hardwood floors and leads you to a spectacular and spacious dining room and sunken living room. The beautifully renovated kitchen with open concept family room opens to an incredible backyard with double patios. The second living room, main floor laundry room, and renovated powder room complete the main floor. Enjoy 4 well-sized bedrooms, 1 with its own ensuite office, and 2 renovated bathrooms on the second floor. The finished basement with a 2-piece bathroom, bedroom, 2 recreation rooms, and tons of storage is enormous with plenty of space for relaxing and playing. Top-rated schools, an incredible location with easy access to highways in the downtown core, and a home that exudes pride of ownership. Whatever you do, don't miss it. Book your showing today.